Hey all, this question is in section C8D. I've decided to make a little bit of a video on this one just as a bit of a help, just because I've had students in the past that have had particular difficulty with this question, so I thought I'd make a video just to help with this one. Now, this one is similar to the racetrack one where we had a bit of a rectangle with two semicircles on the end. It's kind of like the opposite of that, whereas we did have a rectangle, but instead of the semicircles being added on, they've been cut out. There is a couple of ways to answer this question. Best way to do it is, if you imagine that there was a full rectangle here before these two sections were taken out, we can go the area of the rectangle. Now we've got two semicircles taken out, like with the first example, they would make up a full circle. So we want the area of that rectangle. If we take that and we minus the area of the circle, that would give us this full area with these two sections taken out, which would give us the remaining area, which is what we want to find. Best way to go about it is to redraw, all right? Redraw both shapes and then use that formula to help. So the rectangle before it was cut looks like this. Length from top to bottom was 40. Length down the bottom was 60. The circle, so I'm going to redraw the two parts as one big circle. Alright, so that distance from there to there is 40, meaning that our circle has a diameter of 40, or a radius of 20 if you wanted to carve it. Alright, so use that information, work out your area of your two shapes, and then take the area of the rectangle minus the area of the circle. That'll get you the area remaining. Remember, if you're having trouble with any of these questions, make sure you ask your teacher for help.